Well, SAS has been in the data and analytics market for 40 years now. It's actually our 40-year anniversary this year. And the one thing with big data is that it actually, because of the volume, variety and velocity that it brings to the data, it now becomes sort of merely impossible to just interpret it as a human looking at it. So that means that big data and analytics are actually connected. And so in that case, you see that SAS is playing a big role in the big data analytics market today. I think if I look at Spain, I see a lot of activity around big data analytics. So it's definitely not slower than I see in other countries. In some cases, it's actually a bit ahead in looking at some use cases in different industries, particularly in banking. I've seen quite a lot of activity taking place in Spain over the last 2-3 years in big data analytics. We also see that Spain, a lot of the Spanish companies are also international companies. Where they have a lot of data spread out over different locations in the world. And that has driven them to sort of look at big data analytics probably a bit earlier than in some of the other countries. It's definitely an interesting event. This is not the first one I participated in on the whole IDC Big Data Roadshow. I've actually participated in Brussels, Amsterdam, as well as today in Madrid. And it's very interesting. There's a lot of opportunity to discuss with other people. So it's not just listening to talks, it's also roundtable discussions, a lot of interaction with people. And if I look at the former event, it has generated quite some interest of people who want to follow up and discuss some ideas and learn from each other. So yeah, definitely good.